It has got nothing to do with trend, it has got nothing to do with brand. You can use what you already have in your closet to achieve this look. Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. The first outfit, you all know you have this in your closet. You and you watching me, you have a little black dress in your closet. Yes, you do. And the most fascinating things about little black dress is because it suits every body type, every shape. You know why? Because it's black and it's classic. It does not go out of style. You see, this has got nothing to do with brand, this has got nothing to do with trend. Because where black is black, nobody will know what brand it is, nobody will know if it's trending or not, because it doesn't trend. It's classic. It remains classic. So ladies, check in your closets. This will turn heads. As long as you're putting it right, in the right way, you accessorize it the proper way, and you wear it to the right occasion, you will turn heads. So talk about an outfit that will give you the natural look. Yes, natural look, the natural feeling, natural effect. We're talking about t-shirts and jeans. Who does not have that in their closets? We all know they come in different structure, different shape, different size. The t-shirt could be v-neck, could be round neck, it could be deep v-neck, it could be sweater neck. The jeans could be fitted, it could be skinny, it could be baggy, it could be depending on your style. We all have this in our closet. So it now depending on how you style it, that will make you to stand out. Remember, I always say this, you will be addressed the way you dress. I am not against all these shredded jeans. If it is your style, please go for it, ladies. But if you want to be taken seriously, there are some places that you cannot wear such jeans to. So just stay with depending on where you're going, and will determine how you will dress that jeans. But we all have this in our closet. Combined jeans and t-shirts, and you want to uplift the look. What next? We combine it with a blazer, and we all own this in our closet. So when you combine those three things together, the look become from just that natural look becomes sophisticated. But mind you, we're going for that natural look because people will turn around when they look at you that you're wearing just plain t-shirts, white t-shirts, and just the jeans. But what you're styling it with is what will make it to stand out. Just imagine wearing jeans with high heels. Wearing jeans with high heels compared to wearing with sneakers, you know that look is automatically uplifted, it's all elevated, and definitely you will turn heads. The next look is for my ladies who want to remain feminine and also combine it with professionalism. I'm talking about pencil skirts. Most of us, we don't wear pencil skirt nowadays. We all go to the flare one, we go to the bubble style. Pencil skirts, I feel like it's a staple for every lady to have in their closets. Pencil skirts with a blouse, it's like you're combining femininity and professionalism together. They're absolutely beautiful. In this style, I'm wearing, of course, most of my ladies doesn't want to wear bandage dress, but it's pencil skirts and it's bandage dress, and I love it. If it's flattered my body, so I love it. And if you're the type that just want to do the regular pencil skirts and you combine it with blouse, it's absolutely beautiful. It's just going to make you look more feminine. It will make you to look more feminine and more presentable and more professional. If you are in the professional setting, pencil skirts I will recommend always. And also, it's something that you already own in your closet. You just have to know how to combine them together to give you that look. Do you want to turn heads like completely 360 when you step into a gathering? This one color, I believe all of us, we have it in our closet, and they come in different shades. I am talking about red. Red in different shades. They are absolutely beautiful, very magical, very magnetic, very bold. Like, they look at you that this lady is bold, this lady is the boss lady, she's classy. Just try red. Wear red to that occasion if that is what they call for. They come in different colors. Just give it a try. If you're the type that you shy away from bold colors, start with red, because red will give you that sophistication and boldness and very magnetic. you will turn heads. Even men will look at you. I tell you, give it a try. You have it in your closet already. Just know how to put it together and you'll be good to go. That thing I want to emphasize on that I know we already have in our closet is high heels. Not all ladies can wear heels perfectly the way it's supposed to be worn. If you are the type that you don't know how to wear heels, there are many videos on YouTube that you can just Google, you can just watch. Just put it there, how to wear high heels. It will come up. You start training yourself. Not everybody can wear high heels. Alright, but if you don't know how to wear heels, instead of you turning heads, of course you will turn heads, but you will turn heads in a gossip and a bad way, because people will look at you that what in the world is she doing? Trust me, God forgive me, I'm one of those people when I see somebody in high heels and they don't know how to carry it. God forgive me, okay? I'm confessing, I will judge them. I judge them in my heart, not to their face, because I don't want them to be uncomfortable. Go incorporate heels into your outfit, into your styling. Not every day, but occasionally when you have to go to an event. Instead of wearing sneakers on that dress, wear heels, and you will see how you will turn heads, especially if you know how to carry it. The next outfit that will turn heads that you own in your closet is off shoulder. This is the rule of don't reveal too much. Reveal this bottom, close the top, close the top, reveal the bottom. Off shoulder flatter everybody, in my own opinion. If you have a different opinion, put it in the comment section. All right, but in my own opinion, just showing the upper part of your body alone will turn heads. So you all have this in your closet. Try to wear it, and most importantly, wearing it, we have to make sure our bodies were moisturized. And finally, the outfits that will turn heads whenever you have it on will be elegant gown. There are so many of it in the store, so many of it that you already have in your closet that you don't have to rush out there to go and purchase it. Elegant gown always turn heads because of the details on it. It doesn't have to be blinks. Trust me, most of the ones I have, they are blinks, and it's because I love blinks. But it sure doesn't have to have blinks, but the details on elegant gowns is the reason why they turn heads. You see some of them with cape, you see some of them slitted in such a different way that is kind of different from your regular slit. If you get my point, you will see some of them is just the way it's structured, the way it accentuates your feminine figure. You will love it, and the moment you step into that occasion, you will turn heads. So ladies, these are all that I have for you today. These are the outfits that will turn heads that you already own in your closet. You don't need to go and repurchase. You just have to know how to restyle them for that occasion. Make sure they fit into the occasion so that you'll be addressed appropriately. The only reason why people will address you negatively is because you're dressing in a way that is not acceptable into the occasion. Alright ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.